This is a brief overview of the Works ME1 laser enclosure. The ME1 is a new product offered by Works Machinery. It is a certified Class 1 laser enclosure designed for the Keyence laser markers. It is built with years of industrial laser marking knowledge and experience to provide a robust and expandable turnkey industrial marking system. This is the ME1. We have the front view here. We've got the control panel. We've got a viewing window, a monitor, a pull-out keyboard tray in order to control everything. We have removable side panel doors for expansion as well as larger parts, and this does mess with the class, so we do have sensors on there that alerts the operator that the doors have been removed and we no longer run under the Class 1. This is on both sides. We've got Fumex ports on both sides as well as the back. When we look at the back of the machine, we've got cord entry system as well as this is the enclosed cart. We've got access door in the back and the access door in the front. Here we can see the ME1 in operation. We can see the door as it goes up and down. It is automatic with force control. You can also see the laser head go up and down on its Z-axis. The videos are shaky. One of the things that the raising the head up and down allows us to do is it allows us quick and easy way of doing the alignment laser. From our software, you can turn on the alignment laser, then you can jog the head in the up direction or the down direction. As we see here, until we get the alignment laser right in position, you can stop jogging, and now you're ready to mark. Some of the features of the ME1 we're selling at $11,500 for the enclosure without the Fumex or the cart. It is a Class 1 certified Keyence designed specifically for the MLZ, MDX, and MDF lasers, standard and wide area. It's got a 11 by 11 viewing window. It's got an automated door. It has 400 millimeters of travel. The automated laser can go up and down 500 millimeters. It does come with a PC with Windows 10 Pro, and of course a keyboard, mouse, and monitor, which the monitor can be mounted on either side. And we got start button, e-stops for safety and starting the machine when you're in a production mode. We have an indicator light to help display status of the machine. The enclosure itself is 150 pounds. We've got a USB port for easy access to the PC. We have an LED enclosure light with dimmer control. The side panels do allow for larger part marking and other automated procedures. The panels do have sensors, as stated before. When removed, the enclosure is not Class 1 rated. 2-inch Fumex extraction port rear, right side, and left side. Clear hard anodized aluminum base plate with a grid of M6 by 1 tapped holes for fixture mounting. The software, as we'll see later, is set up to control the head position. There we have the dimensions. The working area puts us at 485 wide, 406 height, and 457 deep. We also have the Fumex options at $1,700. The FA1, which is bigger, and then we have the FA1 Mini, which is a smaller version. Cart options, we have the open cart at $1,500. And then we also have the enclosed cart at $2,500, where we enclose it and we provide a front and back door. Here's the ME1 software. We have the ability to connect to the laser and pull the programs and see a preview. We can select any model that works with Marking Builder 2 or Marking Builder 3.3. For this demo, I have an MDX 1000. And I am connected through Ethernet. We provide USB connection for all the lasers. It can be done through Ethernet as well, which is what I'm doing here. Click Apply, connect to laser. You see we can load up all the programs for selection. Once the programs are loaded, we can select between which program we want. As soon as we select it, it'll load the new program. You see Works Machinery is on top. Now Works Machinery is on bottom. We can zoom in, zoom out, zoom all, and zoom into just the blocks. You can also turn on the guide laser as well as the distance pointer and toggle those on and off. You can also look at the different blocks and make changes to them. So if I want to say Works Machinery, if I wanted to change this to some other words, keynotes, I can save it, and we'll see it's saved here. So we get simple changes for text and QR codes. We can also jog the actuator that moves the head up and down. We can jog it up, jog it down. We can go to specific positions. Once we have the head lift where we want it and the program selected, we can save it as a layout. So we hit Add, and we say, give it a name, call it Test 1, hit OK, save that. So now the layout is saved, and it's saved to this program in this position. If I wanted to work at a different program, now the head has to change positions. I can jog it up, jog it down, and I can add another layout and call it Test 2 and hit OK. Hit Save that, and now it's saved with this program in this position. So if I change layouts, it'll automatically change programs in the laser and automatically move the head to that correlating position. From the software, you can also move the door up and down. Also, it's good to note that when the software is running, at any time, whether you're connected to the laser or not, you are able to hit the start button on the enclosure. The door will shut, the laser will mark the loaded program, and the door will open. There are future expansions of this program to control multiple actuators, so you can have a rotary and some other axes, X and Y if need be. We are also doing a rotary table that the software will run. And future expansion of the software will have the ability to do a sequencer, to string multiple positions and multiple programs together to run parts that need multiple programs. And this will be able to be set up by an operator. It's something that we have coming out down the road. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation.